So today we're going to take a look at how you can add medication in the Health app. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is open up the Health app like so. When you come to your Health app, just click Browse. Back, you're going to see this list here, and you're going to see medications. All you do is click Medications, click in there, and then here you're going to see Your Medications. Just click Add a Medication, like so. We're just going to do paracetamol. So we're just going to do paracetamol, just for the sake of this. So add that, click Next. We can select what type of form it is. It's got some common ones there, it's got some other bits down here. So we're just going to click because it's a tablet. We're just going to click the strength. I believe they're like 500 milligrams. We're going to click that in like that. Now you can click how often you want to take them, so you can click every day. Or there's a variety of different options you can take, like every other day, 3 days, 5 days, etc. So we can add a time by clicking that. We're just going to select 9 AM. Feels like a decent time. Select how many tablets we want, so we might want 2. Then we just click Next. Then we can click the shape. There's quite a few different shapes for these. And then once you click your shape, you can click a colour. So some tablets might be colour coordinated, so you can click those like so. Make it a different colour, we're just going to leave it as stock white. You can also change the background colour if you've got a few that look similar. So we're going to leave that one like that. We'll just click Next. And some other things you can add there, some details if you want. Like a display name if you don't want it to actually say what type of medication, or maybe it's type of medication that you want to be reminded of and not the name. And now it's there, so now it should be on your Apple Watch, and I'll just show you some screenshots on the Apple Watch of what it looks like. So if we unlock the Apple Watch, click on the Medications app on your Apple Watch, which is the one with like the little red, blue and green pill with a white background. And once you're in here, you can see your medications. So on here, you can select which one it is. If you tap on it, you can click Log as Taken, and if you click Log as Taken, it'll say that you've now logged, and you'll have like a little tick, and it'll say what time you logged it as taken, and it should remind you the next day. But it's also a good app to just check if you can't remember if you've taken them. You can always click that you've logged them. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.